Hello everyone. Today I will introduce the LiModel editor feature in the terrain module of LiDAR360. The LiModel editing feature can be used to repair, optimize, or add features to the terrain. Existing raster data can also be converted into LiModel in LiDAR360, edited and then converted back into raster files. In the terrain module's model editor, you can activate the LiModel editor tools. The LiModel editing toolbar will appear in the current active window. Click Start Edit to begin editing. Select the edit file to start the process. The polygon selection and lasso selection tools can only select areas within the data range. While the screen selection tool can select areas outside the data range. For the selected area, you can perform operations such as flatten height, smooth height, repair no data, repair height by variance, repair height, and delete height. Flatten height sets the elevation of the selected area to a specified value, suitable for rivers or water bodies with the same elevation. Smooth height smooths the terrain to reduce the bumps caused by terrain roughness. Delete height removes elevation points within the specified range. You can also use the repair height or repair no data tools to fill in gaps in the terrain. The break line of water area tool allows you to add a horizontal area to represent the lake. Similarly, the break line of gradual river tool is used to add riverbanks by drawing two lines used to represent the river. While the linear break line tool is used to add soft or hard break lines to represent the cliff. For specific ranges, you can use the vector selection tool to import existing 2D shapefiles, SHP format, and the software will recognize the polygons as editing areas. To remove noise caused by spikes, use the Repair Height by Variance tool. The software also provides undo and redo tools for convenience in LiModel editing. Finally, you can choose to save the editing results or discard them using the Cancel DEM function. After completing LiModel editing, click the Exit button on the toolbar to exit the LiModel editor. That concludes our introduction to the LiModel editor feature. Thank you for watching.